Hey, you guys, I just want to show y'all a few things that I am going to be decorating with on my gingerbread tree this year, and it is called Oh Snap. So if you're looking in our collections on TMIGifts.com, if you're looking at the collections and you're wanting to see something that's in the gingerbread, look at Oh Snap. And so just a few items that I've pulled that I'm going to be using either in wreaths or maybe on the trees and decorating in my sections. I love this little gingerbread man. We have it in a boy and a girl, and super cute. He's a sitter, but I've had people wire him in too. He has these little overalls on, so he's very easy to wire into a swag or a wreath. He's super cute. He's got the gingerbread little texture on his body here. Cute little breeches that he has on, and his little baker's hat. I love this gingerbread, and I'm going to use several of these. I think it's something that you always want to use on a tree, some bigger pieces in it to fill in, but he is super cute in a tree, so I'm going to use him in a tree and possibly in a swag or a wreath. Um, Love this piece. This piece has been a really good piece for us, and so I am going to be using it this year. It's a big cookie cutout, and look how large this thing is. It's bigger than my hand. So it has these little ball glittery spray picks on it, and then it has the big gingerbread on the front side of it. So I love this. This makes a huge statement. You could take it off the stick and actually use it in just placing it inside a wreath if you wanted to put a wreath attachment on the back of it. And then you could use these picks as a spray on into your wreath. But I love this piece, and I'll be using this a good bit in some wreaths as well that I'm going to use. And this is a big cookie sheet. It's an ornament, has a hanger on it, but it has these two. It's like your cookie sheet. It's like your pan here, and you got all these little gingerbread cookies on it. Love this piece. It's very detailed. It's not super heavy, but it's got this clay dough. But this part right here is not clay dough, but it is a very well made piece. Love this one. It's got the gingerbread, and it's a really good size. This would make a really great gift too, but I love this one to use inside my tree. This is a gingerbread sitter that I love, but I wanted you to know that you can take this and you can actually put this into a wreath. So if you're looking for something that's just a little bit different, this gingerbread is really cute. I'm probably going to wire him into the tree and use him to sit in some areas. I have some shelves in the area in my gingerbread section, and I'm going to use him. I love this piece. This is very new. This is a gingerbread garland. I'm going to drape this across a mirror that I have in my gingerbread section, and I'm going to use it in there, but I'm probably going to put this on the tree, so I can't wait. Garlands are pretty big. These type little ball garlands are really cute and really neat to use, and you can decorate these in several different ways. You can put those on if you have a chandelier, but I really love seeing them draped across windows and mirrors. If you've got a area that you're decorating for, these are really cool. So I'm going to be using this gingerbread one. He's pretty. He's really pretty. And if you're wanting to do that tone on tone, a lot of people like to do the gingerbread with just the red, brown, and white. And this is a great piece to use, to just use red, brown, and white. We do have the pastel gingerbread stuff, and with green and white gingerbread items as well. I'm going to probably use some mesh. And I love this red and white one because you can use it in peppermint wishes and also in the gingerbread. And you can even use it into your Whoville collection as well. But this is a really good mesh to use. So I'll probably be using some of that in my gingerbread. And then some ribbons I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this 4-inch. I do have some gingerbread ribbons coming that's going to be 4-inch. But this 4-inch brown crystal shine, love this. Love this for fall, but this is going to be great in my gingerbread section because I love this ribbon right here to go with it. This is the white and brown cookies, the gingerbread cookies. It's got a little bit of white glitter on it. This is one of my favorite ribbons because you've just got that tone on tone, that brown and white. And some people do just the brown and white. And for your gingerbread, love this ribbon. It's a great ribbon. I will be using some of it. And if you wanted to just keep your brown, this brown white, you could just use the crystal shine in this one. If you wanted to throw just a little bit of red in it, I love this pattern right here. It is your diagonal plaid pattern. Diagonal plaid is a really plaid and diagonal plaid. Diagonal plaid is a really big item, and it's going to be even bigger next year, the diagonal plaid. So I probably would mix some of this 1.5 inch diagonal plaid with it. But I love this gingerbread right here. It's the red one, but it has this little bit of this mint green color in the scarf and in the candy cane. But it has a gingerbread boy and girl. You don't really focus on it a whole lot, but I would use this in the tree as well. So this is a few of the items that I'm going to use in the gingerbread section. So y'all join me, watch me make the gingerbread tree. It's called Oh Snap.